Hello, and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, what is going on? XRP not doing much. Well, not necessarily a surprise, given that I have repeatedly mentioned that the long-term XRP chart is just trendless. There is no trend. Yeah, you can argue, okay, we are in an uptrend. Okay, fair enough. But when does it continue? Hard to say. The price has been in a sideways correction, not trending since end of 2017. So yeah, it might continue at some point, this trend. The problem with this pattern is that it leaves a lot of room for interpretation. For example, it is entirely possible that we move up directly, but it certainly hasn't given us any evidence that it has done that. It is also possible, if this is really an Elliott wave triangle, that after a wave 1 was put in here in 2017, this is just an A wave down. This is a B wave triangle, which might go a little more sideways for maybe even a year or so. And then we, first of all, come down lower in a C wave, and then we go up higher. So there are many options with this pattern. All I can say at the moment is that XRP is caught in a long correction, and it hasn't even participated really in the last bull market due to this corrective pattern. So it's still caught in that pattern. Yeah, that's just something that I've been mentioning a lot in recent weeks and months. It's just a difficult chart to deal with, which is very much affected by news. And why is that the case? Well, first of all, with regards to news, the pattern is just corrective. So we don't have a strong trend. That's one of the explanations why, if something's going on with XRP, you see these wild pumps, but also dumps. We had that most recently here. That was on the 13th of November. Because we don't have a strong pattern, right? Not a strong trend that's really leading it, yeah? That is constraining the pattern. It's very much affected by, directionless movement. That's the problem with XRP. So therefore, as I said many times, XRP likes to move in three-wave structures. We have 3 waves up completed into the recent highs in November. And that could be it, that could be it. And because it loves those 3-wave movements, it could now continue the move down if it wants to, with another 3-wave move. So it can, though, move up in 5, but it hasn't produced a 5-wave move in a very, very long time. To give us a first indication that XRP really has put in a lasting low in August 23, we need to see this. Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3, Wave 4, that's all done. But we now need to see a Wave 5. And you can see how it's like, it just doesn't want to do 5 waves, okay? I mean, Bitcoin, everything's positive out there, right? But it seems like XRP is waiting for Bitcoin to make a correction so that XRP can come down as well. Like, it's like crazy. It can produce 5 waves, absolutely. And it's currently trolling our support area. Again, you can see how relevant the Fibonacci levels are, or the price wouldn't have sustained here or moved within this Fibonacci support area for the last 2 to 3 weeks. So it's 3 weeks. So it's been in this support area now for 3 weeks. It's been dancing around here, around that 50% Fibonacci level. But there's absolutely no indication that we have started to move up in that 5th wave that we've talked about in previous videos. So we need to be a little bit more patient. Support hasn't broken, okay? And as long as we're holding that 56 cent level, the overall idea that we could be in a 5th wave is still valid. I mean, I'm focusing on the upside as long as the 56 cent level is holding. So that's the primary scenario at the moment, the white wave count. But I can tell you, because of the XRP chart history and its reluctance to really, let's say, follow Bitcoin and move up, we have to be skeptical naturally. It's just not a chart it's not even moving in an impulse. So at best, it's a diagonal, and you cannot trust these really. But as soon as we have 5 waves up, then we can work with it, add a support area for this wave 2 pullback to trade the 3rd wave, which could be the breakout, But at the moment, no breakout pattern has formed. So it's just a quick update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.